Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw a gingerbread man with a Santa hat on and a scarf. I hope you guys can join in, follow along, have some fun and draw your very own gingerbread man. Check out in the video as well for hidden gingerbread men being a bit cheeky. Let's start with the head shape. Near the middle of your page, start with a head shape like this. Then draw another one eye on, two eyes on. I'm going to leave these white in this one. You can have an eyebrow, a couple of eyebrows. The mouth you can make as big as you like. Let's put his arm on. One arm into the leg, then make sure that lines up in the middle there, bring that down. That was a bit of a curve there. Now try and repeat the same on the other side. Remember, drawing is all practice. Bring that up and around. And remember, if you've got a request, I'd love to hear it so I can help you guys out with your drawings, because that's what my channel is about, helping you guys out, becoming better artists and better drawers. Now you could put whatever you want on these. You could put gloves. I might put some Christmas gloves on these ones. So these are like little Christmas gloves or mittens. And we might even put some boots on. These might be Christmas boots. I'm going to put some buttons on, and then I'm going to put a scarf on him. So let's draw a line here for the scarf, and then another little line around like this. That's his scarf, and then he's got his other little bits hanging down here. One, two bits for his scarf. Now you could put some decorations on those if you like, and I think he's a little bit plain. Let's put a Christmas hat on him. And my Christmas hat, you could either go this way or this way. I'm going to come this way, like this. And a little ball on the end. There's a gingerbread man, looking pretty cute.